Hello friends, in this video we will discuss some questions about trigonometry. So let me start. First question, we consider ABC right angle at C in which AB is equal to 29 units and BC is equal to 21 units. Find 6 trigonometry ratio. So what we have a 6 trigonometry ratio. First is sin theta, second is cos theta, third is tan theta, fourth is cosec theta, fifth is cot theta, sixth sec theta. We have a given AB is equal to 29, BC is equal to 21. So first we will make right angle triangle. Given C is a right angle A B, so we have a right angle triangle. This side perpendicular, this side hypotenuse, this side base. So what we have given, AB is equal to 29, AB is equal to 29 and BC is equal to 21. Find base. So by using Pythagoras, base square is equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Base square is equal to hypotenuse 29 minus perpendicular 21. Base square, so we can use the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. 29 plus 21 into 29 minus 21. This is a square is equal to 50 into 8 is equal to 400. B square is equal to 400. B is equal to 20 square B is equal to 20. So base is come 20. So how can we find 6 trigonometry ratio? So first we have, can you learn our 6 trigonometries formulas ratio? Pakistan bhukha pyasa, Hindustan hara bhara. This is a trick of a learn trigonometry ratio. Pakistan and Hindustan, it means sin theta. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, bhukha and hara, it will be cos theta. Pyasa and bhara, tan theta. And another 3 ratio, so we will be opposite. So this is a trick of a learn formulas. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. And cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, because sin theta is the opposite of sin theta. Sec theta is equal to opposite of cos theta, hypotenuse upon base. Cot theta is equal to opposite of tan theta, base upon perpendicular. Is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So sin theta is equal to perpendicular hypotenuse 21, hypotenuse 29. Cos theta base upon hypotenuse, base is 20, hypotenuse is 29. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular 21 and base is equal to 20. And another 3 ratio, sec theta, cosec theta and cot theta. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse is 29. Base upon base is equal to 20. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse is 29. Perpendicular is 21. Cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. Base is 20, perpendicular upon 21. So this is the answer all trigonometry ratio. Question: if sin A is equal to 3/4, find cos A, tan A, sin C, cos C. So first we will draw right angle triangle. Sin theta is equal to sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 3, hypotenuse is 4. 3 and 4. Angle of A, C, B. Find cos A, tan A, sin C and cos C. So first we will find AC. AC means it is a base by Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to BC square minus AB square. AC BC is equal to 4 minus AB is equal to 3. 4 का square 16, 3 square 9, 7. AC is equal to root 7. So cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base is root 7, hypotenuse is 4. Tan A is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 3, base is root 7. Sin C is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 3, hypotenuse is 4. Cos C is equal to perpendicular. Cos C is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base is root 7, hypotenuse is 4. Third question: in triangle ABC, B is the right angle, AB is equal to 24, BC is equal to 7. Find the value of sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. So first of all we will draw right angle triangle. B is the right angle, A and C. AB is equal to 24, BC is equal to 7. Find hypotenuse AC by Pythagoras theorem. By theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB 24 square plus 7 square. 24 square 576, 7 square 49, 5 625. AC is equal to 625 root AC is equal to 25 square root cancel 25. AC is equal to 25. And sin A cos A, if angle is A, so angle is A, the front of the side should be always perpendicular. So this is a perpendicular. Sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 7, hypotenuse is 25. And cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. Base is 24, hypotenuse is 25. And sin C. So we will draw another triangle. Because the front of an angle or front of the side should be perpendicular. C, angle is C, B is a right angle triangle, and A, angle is C. So AB is 24, AC is 25, and BC is 7. So we can find sin C and cos C in this triangle. Sin C is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to 24 upon 25. Cos C is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse.